Hey friends, welcome back to my studio. I'm going to paint a cute little frog with a gold crown on a 5" by 5" cradled wood panel from US Art Supply. This one's only 3/4 inch thick. I couldn't find the thicker ones, the 1.5" ones I usually get. I've got clear gesso on it. I'm going to use primary colors. Primarily, I'm going to pretty much have an all green painting with little hints of other color. And I think I'm going to try, well, I am going to try using this iridescent bright gold paint from Liquitex. Okay guys, let's have some fun. Let's set the table. Here, if you want to screenshot this for a traceable. Okay, hopefully that was pretty square. I'm going to try and keep it simple, keep some of the detail out. Like if you Google a green frog, it might be a tree frog. With the, I think they have orange fingers. Anyway, there's more detail and more structure, but I'm going to try and keep it more simple. I've got primary colors. They're all Liquitex. Titanium white, primary yellow, Quinacridone magenta, Phthalo blue green shade, Mars black. They're all basics except for the Phthalo blue green shade is a heavy body. Okay. I mixed a lot of primary yellow, almost maybe even equal parts of Phthalo blue green shade and black. And I still have compared to this blue or green, I still have quite a pretty green. Even though I was trying to mute it down some. This is that color with some red, some more blue, and some more black, but I was leaning more towards blue, a blue-gray color. I think that's about it. This is actually more blue than I anticipated, but I can come back and add some green to it. But I also want the frog to come forward from the background. So I tend to I'll do like a muted, cool, in this case, cooler background, so the frog is warmer greens. Okay guys, I'll be back in a bit. I thought I'd stop for a second and pop in. I didn't say that I used this 3/4 inch angle brush for the background. You could use any brush. And then I've been using this #1 round from Princeton. I don't know if that's focusing. For like the lines. I think I used it for a lot of little detail. I'm thinking, I don't know if I have used it, but oh yeah, I think I have because it feels wet. I'm thinking I'm going to use this for a lot of the frog. It's a #4 little flat brush from Royal and Langnickel. And I thought you might want to see the eyes. I put purple in the eyes, and then I also put some black. I think those eyes could be done. One thing I particularly like, and I think it works, is a little bit of highlight. Although then it kind of pushes, you guys have to let me know if you like that. But I was looking at a photo of a frog and it kind of had a little highlight underneath the bottom of the pupil. Oh, I think I'm going, well, I am going to paint the crown yellow and white to cover the background before I paint it with the gold. Oh, I didn't mention this in the setup, but I did in the beginning. I'm going to use this color for the crown. Okay, I think that gets us up to speed. I'll be back in a bit. Can you see the shininess in the crown? I don't know if you can, and I'm not sure if I like it. So the gold is, it's an old tube, it's kind of sticky too. It is semi-transparent. That box is half filled on the diagonal. I did put out a little matte medium which I flashed in the time lapse in case I wanted to make it more transparent. I don't think it needed the matte medium. I did also mix it with a little of a brown color and a little bit of this rust color. Let's do a screenshot. Ooh, that's crooked. Now, can you see it? Maybe this way? No, I can't tell. So I can see the top of my phone. I can't. Oh, there maybe some shine. I like it. I don't think it doesn't hurt anything. Oh, and I did put some gold dots in the background. I was gonna say I can't think of anything else. I did add a little bits of color, some blue for fun. I like the simple frog. You know, a lot of times I try to paint more detail, more of the, I don't know, bumpy texture of the frog skin, but I think this looks really good. Let me know if you give this one a try. I will link, I have a frog with a rubber ducky on its head in a tub. I'll link that video in this video's description in case that one interests you. I super appreciate your support. Great big happy art hugs, and I hope to chat with you soon. Bye guys.